All right, guys, it's been about 18 months since I've had this poor man's wallet that I created, and I only put $50 in it. Well, today I have a valuation of over $300, and that's over the course of 18 months, right? So, in this video, I'm going to highlight what I've done to get here, which is essentially nothing, just about, but to demonstrate the features that I've used thus far. And when I checked this wallet today, I realized that I am not using the latest feature of delayed credit. So I am going to start incorporating that into my poor man's wallet strategy as well. And keep in mind, guys, I created this wallet as an example for future references to refer back on to show you guys, number one, how investing a little bit in Bitcoin just one time can pay off big. And number two, how using these digital crypto solutions, Bitcoin wallets, can increase that even more. Okay. So let's jump into it real quick. And let me show you because I want to be completely transparent in everything. Show you guys that that initial payment that I sent to this wallet was on March the 27th. And I just went out to Chat GPT and said, hey, how many months have passed since March 27th, 2024? And as of today, which is October 10th, that's 18 and a half months have passed. Okay. And I'm going to say, let's get the price of Bitcoin because I tell you guys all the time in the series that, hey, when I put this money in, it was only $50, right? So let's say, what was the price of Bitcoin on March 27th, 2024? And to just verify this, guys, so you guys can see, and you can run out to Chat GPT and check it out as well. See, that was 69,478, right? So let me open up the calculator and notice that I only sent 0.0007 Bitcoin. So we're going to multiply 0.0007 times the price of Bitcoin at that time, which was 69,478.69. And you see, guys, that was around $50. So this single deposit, right, guys? I mean, I have not added any other Bitcoin, sent any other Bitcoin to this wallet. It was $50 at the time. Today, guys, I can pull out close to twice that amount in Bitcoin right now. So I have $120 worth of Bitcoin where I only put in 15 because of the price appreciation that's gone up, and because of the conversion of credits, I've received more Bitcoin. So instead of having that 0.0007 Bitcoin that you guys probably have sitting on an exchange or in a hot wallet or whatever the case is that's doing nothing for you, this right here will actually increase the amount of Bitcoin you have. And I can take this out while I still have an additional close to $200 worth of credits that are being converted over into Bitcoin. All right, so just wanted to be transparent on that, let you guys know what the deal is. And of course, just so you see this transaction on the blockchain, there's a transaction ID here, and anyone that uses the wallet can click on it. You'll see that this transaction occurred, well, it's saying 2 years ago, but it was 18 and a half months, and which was on March 27th, and it was in the amount of 0.0007 Bitcoin going to my Bitcoin wallet here, which is the same one that is, if I click on receive Bitcoin, that same wallet there. Okay. So now that that part is out the way, how did it get to this point? So remember, guys, a lot of updates have been installed in the wallet since then, and some of the features have allowed me to completely automate the earning of Bitcoin. So I've been able to set up the automated features to where um, the system is continuing to purchase credits at discounts, and at the same time, those credits are being converted into Bitcoin. Okay. So the way I did that, guys, first and foremost, I started off this wallet, put 0.0007 Bitcoin out there, went out to the marketplace to buy credits. And in buying credits, I was getting them at some nice discounts. I think around the time it was like up to 15, 18%. Right now it's down to 9%, and it may even get lower, guys, because there's going to be more demand in the marketplace because of the delayed credits feature, right? But um, that's how I started. And then, of course, some automated features were put in place, the automated Satoshi stacker, and primarily this stimulus generator. So what I've done is enable this stimulus generator and told my wallet, hey, I want you to purchase 36 cents worth of credits using my Bitcoin every day. Okay. So it's purchasing credits at a 5 to 6% discount. And at the same time, I checked my daily conversions, right? And my daily conversions is showing that it's converting credits into Bitcoin to about 80, 79, 80 cents, right? So while I am purchasing more credits at a discount, I am receiving even more in credit in Bitcoin, right? So this balance right here continues to increase each day. And while this decreases, I'm still acquiring more credits. And that is completely on autopilot, guys. So if I come down and check out the credits purchased, you'll see that all of these purchases were made through that stimulus that I enabled, right? And this essentially just helps me grow my Bitcoin over the course of time. Okay. So that's just one of the features. Of course, the other is the automated Satoshi stacker, which I enabled, but it hasn't kicked in because of this stimulus program, right? So that's one aspect of it. Another thing, just FYI for you guys that like to gamble and play around or whatever the case is, we do have this wager credits feature. And I play this sometimes, not too often, but I played 11 times. Um, Shows how much I've paid in playing, shows how much I've won. So I've won twice, gotten $14 off of that. I played 11 times and paid $20. So I'm down about $6 in that case from credits. Now, this isn't Bitcoin. This is credits that you essentially get for free or at discounts, right? So it's pretty much a low risk play, but nevertheless, it can help you increase your credits if you like to play and gamble as well, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead. So you guys that watch this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start around here with this wallet, this 70236. So if you want to play, just click that play now. And I'm gonna see if I can cop a win here. I'll just play that again. But this is not in any way a strategy to grow your Bitcoin, right? This is just like if you guys want to get together, play, and gamble your credits out off a little bit. You might win, you might lose, but you'll notice that if you do win, you'll get a bigger pot than just by playing, right? So you can win 3 times, play 12 times, and still profit, right? All right, so that's out the way. And now, guys, to show that I am missing out on this Bitcoin paid for delayed credits, I have not purchased any delayed credits. And what this is going to do, guys, is give me 5% on whatever delayed credits I purchase in 30 days. So while I'm continuing to grow this Bitcoin, because credits are converting on a daily basis. Well, this Bitcoin right here is sitting idle. So I could head out to the marketplace, like I said, and purchase more credits at the 9% discount, I think it was 9.5, 9.26% or something like that. I could do that, but I'm still growing my credits and allowing those credits to convert through the automated feature. Right now, I want to focus on the delayed credits because I can purchase some, right? and I am going to go ahead and pretty much max that purchase out because I'm going to get it back in 30 days with an additional 5%. And if I do this once a month, that's like increasing my Bitcoin holdings by 60% per year, right? But I am going to leave a little bit of Bitcoin in my wallet just for that automated feature to kick in. So I think it's 36 cents. So that's perfect right there. I still have about 30 cent worth of Bitcoin sitting in my wallet after this purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. I'm going to purchase $120 worth of delayed credits, and I'm going to get back $126 worth of Bitcoin in 30 days. So this, guys, is going to help me grow my Bitcoin even faster, right? So with that part done, I no longer have a Bitcoin available balance here, which is cool because I didn't plan on doing anything with that Bitcoin anyway, right? So if you guys have a wallet and you want to use your Bitcoin to send it out, pay bills, or whatever the case is, if it's in this bucket, you can spend it, right? And at this stage, guys, now that I've made my first purchase of delayed credits, here it is here. And I'll either get $126 worth of Bitcoin back off of this $120 payment or get $144 worth of credits, which if I want to, I can spend, sell in the marketplace or just give it time and allow those credits to convert into Bitcoin. So with that said, guys, things are going very well. So that's a increase from $50 to over $300 in the matter of a year and a half. And I essentially probably spent more time doing videos than I actually have um, playing around in this wallet, because when I do play around in this wallet, I'll typically do a video on it to let you guys see the progress of it. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. You guys keep stacking and enjoying the platform because it's only getting better with each day. All right, we will holler at you on the next one. Peace out.